Hello everyone and welcome in a new episode of Gadgets Hunter, where we're gonna unbox the new Samsung wireless charger duo. Let's crack on. Right, that wireless charger is a part of the deal of the pre-order of the Galaxy Watch, the new Galaxy Watch in the UK. When you order the Galaxy Watch in the pre-order, you're meant to receive the wireless charger duo for free. The charger by itself is worth about 80 quid, which is cracking deal for me. So basically, whole pre-order cost me about 300 quid. So I did get a watch, the 46mm watch, and the 80 quid charger. The charger is the answer for Apple's AirPower mat, which been announced about 6 months ago, or I think it might be even last year, where Apple tried to design and sell the wireless mat to charge 3 devices on one, which is going to be iPhone, Apple Watch, and then AirPods. Unfortunately, we never seen the product on sale, and as far as I know, we never seen it on last Apple event when they announced the new iPhones, like iPhone XS or iPhone XR or XI, depends which name you prefer. And as far as I know, the product been removed from the Apple website as well, so it looks like we'll never see an AirPower mat from Apple. Luckily for us, Samsung got their own charger, wireless charger, and I've got it down here, so we're gonna unbox it in a minute. And to make it clear, because lots of people thinking a wireless charger means there's no wires, the wireless charger still need a connection to your socket, electric socket. It doesn't mean you can take the charger and charge the phone wirelessly. Well, basically you can, but the wireless charger means there's no connection between the charger and the phone, but the charger by itself still need to be connected to the electric outlet, like socket. Right, let's crack on with the opening. We've got some tapes down here, as usually. The charger arrived in exactly the same cardboard box as the watch, so basically you're gonna be able to see it in the previous video. The product meant to arrive next week. Another surprise from Samsung. I would say surprise, as no one mentioned anything that will arrive early. So luckily I was on a late shift, and I've seen a DPD van outside of my house. It was like 15 minutes before I was leaving to work, and I thought it was a parcel for my wife. Then what a surprise, I opened the door, picked up the parcel. It wasn't my name, so I thought, well, I didn't expect any parcel. I've opened it, and then I realized there's a Samsung charger which meant to arrive next week. Thumbs up, Samsung. Right, let's crack on with all the tapes. Let's see what we've got inside. This massive box. I've never seen it in real life, so actually I don't know what to expect. Well, maybe let's talk about the box. The box is a well built, well quality box. Really good, thick cardboard, as you can see. Proper thick cardboard. So looks like a proper quality box. Dual fast wireless charging. What means you can charge your phone and your Samsung watch. It might be even the Gear S3 Frontier or the previous generation with wireless charging. So basically you are able to put them on a charger and charge them at the same time. It works for the 2 phones as well. Actually, I'm not gonna be able to show you that because I've got only one phone which serve wireless charger. I've got only my Samsung Galaxy S9 and my Galaxy Watch. Unfortunately, my wife's using an iPhone, so we don't have a wireless charging in the iPhones. And like I said, the charging the phone and a Galaxy Watch together, compatible with QI certified products, which means it works with every product which got a wireless charging. Fast and convenient wireless charging. Another thing, people thinking it will be fast. It is faster than usual chargers which you can get from eBay or Amazon or even IKEA, but it's still slower than a normal wire connection. To be honest, it's not a big deal for me because I want to use it as a nightstand, so I can use my always on display on my Samsung. So it's gonna be like nice night clock. Right, let's crack on and see what's in the box. Well, one more thing. As far as I know, and it says on the box, this charger is supplied with a wall charger, so basically we don't need any power brick or any cables. Everything should be in a box. Let's crack on. Let's see what's inside. Upside down. There we go. There's nothing else in the box. Let's put it on the side down here. Right, there's the charger down here. I'm gonna put that box in the side. Let's open it. Charger first. It's pretty heavy. I'm surprised. Like, well built. It's a nice rubber texture. I don't think it's rubber. I think it's plastic, but it's not slippy at all. You can see it's like a matte finish. So maybe better view in the camera. It's like a matte finish, so your phone won't be sliding on it. You're gonna see. I don't know. To be honest, I cannot tell you is it rubber or just a plastic. It might be like a thin coat of rubber. I'm not sure. Let's take this plastic off. Let's make it like proper unboxing. Plastics on the side as well. You're not gonna be getting any light reflection. Let's get rid of that as well. Let's put that on the side. Right, this is how it looks like. So basically, that's the space for your phone. That's the space for a watch. You've got a nice ring down here, so basically you're gonna put your watch in place. I will check in a minute, is it magnetic the same as the normal charger for your Galaxy Watch or not? Probably not. But like I said before, you can put your phone on charge down here, or you can charge it down here as well. Or you can put phone and a Galaxy Watch. It depends on you, what you prefer. We've got a fan outlets down here. Basically, as far as I know, I've been watching some reviews on the internet before. It can be a bit noisy when you're gonna put two devices for charge. There might be a little issue overnight when you're trying to fall asleep and you can hear the fans. I'll test that later and I will let you know. Actually, that's it. Well built, nice and steady. It's not, well, it's moving when you're gonna push it on the top, but actually when you press it down here, it's no move at all. Nice and solid. I'm gonna try it. You've got a rubber bands down here, so you shouldn't be moving on the table at all. Like I said, the whole table is moving. You're not gonna move the charger. It's nice and safe for your phone. What it says underneath is a model EPN6100. Input is 12 volts and the output is 2.1 ampere. To be honest, I'm not sure what it's gonna mean on a wireless charger. We'll see that in a minute. I'm gonna put it on the side. I'm gonna see what's in the other box. I think we're gonna get a power brick down here, maybe some paperwork. Boring stuff, I guess. Like I said, quick start guide. That's a really thick book for just a charger. Let's put it on the side. We're not gonna need that. So as we got in the box, here we go. There's a power brick and a cable. And that's it. That's a really surprise. I'm really surprised because you did get a power brick in your charger, but actually you didn't get a power brick in a box with your Galaxy Watch. I mentioned that in the unboxing of my Galaxy Watch. There was a, like, I would say a bit I would say that was a big disappointment for me, because in the 21st century you expect to get a power brick and a USB cable, because every device now is using some USB cables, lightning cables, so I think it's nice to get a power brick so you can charge every device which you need. Cable, as far as I know, it's not a Type-C cable. Another, I'm not gonna say big disappointment, but a small disappointment. Let's have a look. Oh, actually, sorry, I'm wrong. There's a USB Type-C. That's alright, so basically I've got a spare cable to charge my Galaxy S9. That's really good, Samsung, thumbs up. So I was looking at some reviews and I've heard that they still put a USB Type-C, I mean micro USB cable, but to be honest, I might be wrong. It might be for the old charger, I mean the charger for the Galaxy Watch, which was the old style charger with micro USB cable attached. Right, sorry for that cut, but I didn't realize that I ran out of space on my memory card, so I'm back to use now. I've already plugged the power brick to the electric outlet. I don't know the dimension, but it's really nice. We got a USB Type-C cable, which is gonna fit my Galaxy S9. And like I mentioned before, when you're using the charger, there isn't any wired connection between the phone and the charger by itself. You just put the phone down here, but you need a wired connection between your charger and a power brick. So basically there still is a wire, but there's a wire between the charger and the electric outlet. There's no charger, there's no wire between the phone and the charger. So basically this is how it looks like. Like I said, you've got a wire in the back, it can be hidden somewhere, so you're not gonna see it. Here we go. Let's say just leave it like that. It's not gonna work. Right, so basically to charge your phone, everything what you need to do is just place it on a charging pad, and as you can see, you got a message: fast charging wirelessly. I've got 12% battery left, and like I said, from 12% to the full charge on a wired connection between the charger and the phone will be about, it takes about 1 hour 45, I think, to get a full battery. On a wireless charger, it takes about 2 hours 21 minutes. I hope you will be able to see it in the camera. Probably not, because I'm using my Sony Action Cam to record that video as I in the phone to show you on the charger. As it says 2 hours 21 minutes, which is still not bad, to be honest. I'm completely fine with that, especially that I'll be using it as a nightstand, nice clock. As you can see, with always on display. That's the biggest issue with always on display. When you're gonna put your phone in a horizontal mode, the always on display doesn't rotate. There's a big thumb down for Samsung for that, because loads of us using the horizontal stance and actually doesn't rotate. That's really disappointing. Again, I know Samsung's really disappointed in a couple days for me. So basically, like I said, what you do is just, let me go back, just delete the notifications. Just put your phone on a charger and it's charging straight away. You can even do it if you're watching YouTube or anything else. You can just put it in a horizontal mode as well. It's charging as well. And like I said, you can charge your phone. You can charge 2 devices. You can charge a phone and a watch, or phone and a phone. Down here, if you're gonna place the phone on a pad, it's charging the phone as well. 2 hours 21 minutes. It says 2 hours 21 minutes. So basically exactly the same outlet, the power on both of them. And like I said, let me take the Galaxy Watch off. My Galaxy Watch got about 34% of battery left. Just put it on the pad. Like I said before, it's not magnetic. Like I thought, it's not magnetic, but put it on a pad. Good afternoon. It says good afternoon. 34% of battery left, and it's charging now. So basically, this is how whole setup looks like. So you can charge 2 devices at the same time. You've got 2 LED lights down here. I'm not sure you're gonna be able to see them in the camera, but both of them are on red, which means both of the devices are charging. I guess they're red, but I think they turn green when the devices are fully charged. So basically, there's one for the phone, one for the watch, or the other device which is gonna be charging on the pad. I think that's it. If you've got any questions, just post them in the comment section below, or post them on the Facebook. Links are in the description. Subscribe the channel and stay tuned for the next videos. The next video coming will be about 5 reasons why not to buy a Galaxy Watch. It's gonna be a quick video, compressed information. Everything will be compact, like 3 or 4 minutes. Top 5 reasons why not to buy a Galaxy Watch, when the full review will arrive on the channel in a couple weeks time. I'm a bit busy at work at the minute. Next episodes will be about the dog's water bottles as well, especially for everyone who's traveling with the dog, taking it for the nice walks in the forests, and about the wireless charging cables for iPhones and Samsungs once they're gonna arrive. So stay tuned and see you next time. Bye.